the channel. It's your girl Dumebi Lea. If this is your first time stumbling on my channel and seeing my beautiful face, you're welcome. Please join the big happy family by hitting the subscribe button below. And if you're already an old subscriber, a returning, you're welcome back. You know how we do it. So today I'm doing something very different here on the channel, and I have someone here today in the person of SouthernbelleNg. Say hi. Hi guys. So today we're going to be doing henna, as you guys already saw in the title and description, in the title and the thumbnail. We're going to be doing henna. She's like totally obsessed with henna. She's been like, this video has been a long time coming. She's like, let's do henna, let's do henna. So finally we are doing henna. Finally. So without much ado, let's just get right into the video, guys.
So this is what we're going to be using. This is the henna paste. It retails for about 200 naira. And inside the pack we have
100 naira.
Or 100 naira if you know how to charge.
Exactly.
Like prices for Nigerians. So inside the pack it comes with two items. First of all is the henna powder, which colors a reddish brown pigment. Then this is hydrogen peroxide mixed with a bit of water. You mix it with the powder to get the black pigment that you see in most popular henna designs. So let's get started. So here are my materials for the henna preparation. Here I have, of course, my henna mix. I have a cell tape to help me tape the nylon or material I'm going to be using. This is a comb to mix both of them inside, and this is a strong nylon material, and of course my trusty scissors to help me cut them to size. So to start with, I'm going to be mixing these two inside this. Now the reason we have to do this before putting it in the tube is so that we mix it properly and it does not leak. So let's begin. They say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweet. Every time I come around, the sick ladies come around. They say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweet. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around. They say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day. You know your henna paste is ready when this mixture turns black. So mix it right there. So you can see it's gradually changing color. And mind you, your henna will start to feel warm the darker it gets. Yes. This quantity of henna can serve for your two hands depending on the complexity of your design. So if you're doing a simple design, this should do. But if it's something like a full sleeve, you would need up to 2 to 3 containers of henna. As you can see, our henna paste is now black and ready. So now we'll move on to making our DIY comb. Every time I come around, the sicky ladies come around. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around. They say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweet. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around. They say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweet. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around. They say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweet. But mind you, before you start your henna preparation, you have to make sure that you put something on your surface. Be it a paper towel, fabric, but whatever you're going to put, make sure that you are not going to miss it, because henna stains and it's almost impossible to get off clothes. So in this case, my work surface has a paper towel on it. Every time I come around, the sicky ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sicky ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sicky ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie.
time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, cause they say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweetie. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies.
The henna powder, then the second tube has the, it's gone.
Pick it up.
I could not pick it. Okay, so should I continue from where? I'll bite you. Okay.
My God!
Oh yeah. Okay, so are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.